Kid Camp. Oh, 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 Good morning.
Good morning, Daddy and Mommy.
It is a delicious breakfast. I love so much. What a beautiful morning, gathered here together, laughing and singing. Oh, what a beautiful morning, the best way to start the day. Pancakes and waffles, sausages and eggs, sharing breakfast together, the best day begins. Best family breakfast with meat, soup, and rice. It's delicious. I'm going to school now.
Be safe and sound with good luck, kid.
See you, Daddy and Mommy.
Take care, kid.
I'm off to school. Bye, everyone. Kid Camp.